Hello everyone. My name is Vinil, and my project is Over and Click BoxPlot is a library which I made for a BoxPlot interactive tool named Zoomlet. Second. So, uh, so for summarization, I will talk about the box plot. Box plot is nothing but a some plot to summarize the distribution of data set. Box plot show key statistical features such as median, quartile, minimum and maximum values of in the data set. The box plot is used for comparing the groups. Box are commonly used to compare the distribution of data between two or more groups. So the Zoomlet library which I created, the Zoomlet library is a tool to design to provide an interactive and engaging way to visualize and analyze numerical data. The traditional box plot lacks interactivity, so this library actually address this issue and provide more interactive way and engaging way for user to visualize the data. The library is lightweight and easy to use. It provides features such as hover, on-click function, and jitters to enhance the user experience. So the motivation was when we decided for this Capstone project, wanted to contribute something to an open source community. After working with Plotly last semester, decided to make my own interactive visualizing package. Firstly, I started with a box plot. The interactive box plot activity I created aims to provide user more engaging and interactive way to analyze and visualize the data. Development. The development firstly started with a research of existing library that like interactive libraries such as Bokeh and Plotly, but they have only hover function, not other interactive tools. So I've added some more in it. The library was implemented at Matplotlib as the base library, and interactive features such as hover, click, and jitter were added to engage for more engaging and explorative experience for user. The library was tested in some data sets to ensure functionality and usability. The key features of library are hover function. When we hover around the box, it show the value statistic of the box such as quartiles, medium, upper and lower fences values, minimum and maximum value of the box. When we left click on the box, it show the outlier of the box, the outlier points of the box, which overlap. Then we right click on the box, it show the histogram of the observation of the box. When we right double click on the box, it actually create a maximum line which you can say connect the maximum value of all the boxes. And when we left double click, it's same we do same for the minimum values of the box. This was the result. Like when we go around the box, we can get the values of the what the value of the box like minimum value. Like this is age distribution of spots. So the minimum age is 3, the maximum age is 37 of the player, and like the median age of the player is 26 in box. We can draw the minimum and maximum line which connect the connection. And after these are the jitters which are when we say outlier. When we click on the box, it works for every box individually. And when we again use the interactive function, we can actually make everything disappear if they want only one function. So limitation is actually it is only specifically for BoxPlot as of now. In the future, we will add more plots to it, interactive plots. Not tested on much larger database, so don't know how will the library behave when we use on much larger database. The future scope is adding more box plots such as notch box and like volume plots and all, implementing zoom and pan functionality to allow user to focus on specific region, allow user to add custom annotation and labels to the plot, and supporting more data format and larger data set to improve scalability and performance. So, 1 minute. The library is not live till now. I will after this I will upload the code and everything on my GitHub. That's it. So this is the plot is created. So when we hover around the box of any box, we can get the values. Like when I double click, double left click, the line is created. When we double right click, the maximum line is created. When we left click on the box, the outliers can be shown. And when I again click on the box, it can disappear. Same for maximum and minimum line. And one more thing, last. So when I right click on the box, the histogram of the observation of the that box is created. Then so So as a conclusion, it is an flexible tool, but there are some limitations in the library which will be addressed in the further project. So thank you.
Any questions? Question. Did you write the BoxPlot code?
I use as a methodology as a base library, and from that I write a first step was create a general BoxPlot through method library, small. Nice. And then after there are in the JavaScript there are on hover function and on click function. From that I have taken that on hover and on click function to implement in that from on hover and on click work like.
I see. So it builds on top of another.
Yes.
Okay.